Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your data at Samsung Android to Samsung Cloud. Now let's get started. First, open your setting icon at your phone at a Samsung Android, and after this in here you can swipe down until you can see account and backup. This one, click on it, and after this in here you can click on the backup data, this one at a Samsung Cloud, click on it, and after this in here you can click on the backup. In here you can choose the data that you want to back up. Maybe you can back up to clock, message, contact, calendar, clock, setting, home screen, apps, or voice recording. And after this in here you can click on a backup now, and after this in here you can waiting until the process has been finished. So that's how to back up your data at Samsung Android to Samsung Cloud. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe to